terms that we have been hearing for quite some time. And we are very proud to say that we are the only company in India which provides DOFRI certification and listed as most trusted brand in the world. We are the first Indian company which exports supplements to UK. Otherwise, all these supplements are basically being imported from UK, USA, and other parts of the world. We are the only one which has been able to export supplements, and that also specialized for sports. We have been listed as we have been only company which is authorized to supply to for Tokyo 2021, and not only in India, it's the only Asian company which has got this kind of certification. So again, giving this reason, credentials only to make you aware that we are wanting to support the cause that you are into, but at the same time, we also want to, make this commercial proposition as well. As we don't sell anything in the market, it will be whatever we are doing currently. It is directly to the institution sales, directly to the a person who has his own clinic or doing some consultancy part of it or working uh, for somebody or in some clinics or otherwise. So we want to make partners to this only in a view to complement your efforts and nothing more than that. Coming to the commercial part of it again, what we normally do as we are manufacturers. So there is no restriction. There are no in between companies or the distributor or super distributors or something of that nature. We want to transfer whatever the amount of profit that we have. We want to uh, make you as a what you say a business partners into this by sharing 40% discount on the MRP, and that will be only through on this platform. I think this is the first platform that I am disclosing or trying to make the community impact, so that we want to really complement your effort that you're putting in for the Fit India movement or for the wellness movement part of it. So commercially also, we would like to support you, or we would like to make you a partner in our profit making process. Because again, profit is not a bad word to be, but if you are able to get the results, if you are able to reduce the rehabilitation duration of your client, you're trying to make your client much more stronger, much more healthier than what he is currently at the stage. I think definitely there has to be a commercial proposition attached to this as well, because it's a win-win situation for you, for your client, and we as a company also. Uh, so it's not only so our discussion will not end here. This is the start of our longer journey. What we intend to do is we will have a short, certification courses, nutrition courses, depending upon the area that you're working. If you're into working specialized into sports physiotherapist, we would like to have a certification process, certification program, maybe for 15 weeks or 18 weeks, that we will run to specialized nutritionists, trying to make you people aware about the nutritional need for sports, and then how it can be complementing your efforts when you are working with any sports organization or with a sports person. Similarly, for the clinical part of it, we will have a different session that also certification, and you will be provided a certificate which will authorize you to be our partners in promoting or supplying these specific products which are manufactured by us. And you at the back end there, I would request Ask Physio to form a group where we can interact with whoever are interested to join this project part of it. For all their nutritional need, we will have at least three nutritionists on WhatsApp group, where the answers will be whatever the queries that you are having, even for a patient or for their institutions or for specific cause, because we work in varied community and varied areas. Even recently, we have formulated B12 bar, which is the world first vegan bar, which we have formulated under guidance of Dr. Yagnik of KM Hospital, in association of Kent University and Cambridge University, UK. So that again, one more product which will be circulated only through the population, only through the community that we are discussing now. It will not be made available anything on the what to say, in the shop, but B12 has a lot of impact on so many factors that we can have a separate discussion on this. So we will have a specialized formulations and supply will be through this community or through the associations only. So I think creating and maintaining a systematic protocol to all the physiotherapists will be an holistic approach for proper rehabilitation and exact balance between the nutrition and rehabilitation. I think Prerak would request Prerak and ask Physio to lead the team and guide us, because everybody guidance would be needed. As I mentioned, we are into need-based nutrition. So there might be problems which you might be facing, and you might be thinking that nutrition can play a vital role in solving your problems. Please inform us, and we'll be more than happy to help. Even we are working on specialized formulations there. Your input will also be equally important for us during formulation, so that it's a win-win situation for entire community. I think Prerak, I
Yes, sir.
can you can just now just let me know if there are any questions or queries. I will be more than happy to answer on this platform. I think I have thrown a light on almost most of the topics, but if you think some topic needs to be highlighted, please guide me, because in a flow I might have uh, forgotten to mention certain things.
Okay, sir, I think now we will open for questions.
Yeah,
So if anyone, all the panelists, if anyone has a doubt, anyone has a query regarding whatever this lecture was from past 45 minutes, whatever says said or whatever he explained. So does anyone have a query? They can either type their questions or they can put everything, they can ask him directly. So we have a first question. Sir,
yeah.
do these supplements develop any type of dependency?
Yes, particularly, see, first of all, we need to understand why we are giving this supplement. The moment you think that your efforts or your the mission is accomplished, for example, if you are giving this as a part of rehabilitation part of it, so if he becomes healthy and able to do his performance duties and otherwise, then you need to uh, uh, continue it. But dependency will only I would say it doesn't create any dependency, because protein requirement is on daily basis. So till the time you are working out, you are thinking that your need is not adequately managed by your basic food, till the time you can have the supplementation part, and there is no dependency, I would say, because it's a pure whey protein. The protein, you need to also understand the source of protein, and also does it contain any elements which are likely to create the dependency pattern, because there are certain elements uh, in even in the commercial supplements, where you tend to, when you start using it, if you stop it suddenly, there is basically you will feel like you are not able to work out in a similar manner, or you're not able to perform your duties in the way we used to be. So it's supplements has to be in a very safe form. It has to be dopely certified as far as possible. So I think if it is a plain proteins which without any additional steroids or otherwise, I think there is no chance of having the dependency for that, and there is no need also. If it needs to be given only to the period what is it's meant for.
Okay. Sir, any supplements for young growing females from
Yeah,
their journey of being from a girl to woman?
yeah,
So any of such products which we have for female?
yeah, absolutely. We have a product called as NutraWay Lacy. Now, Lacy means a growing girl.
Okay.
So again, when I mentioned that during growing age, I think this is between 8 years to 18 years. This is very critical age where now not only in the normal population but also in the sports population. Just to share, the research part, what Dr. Kevin has done recently. Now, Dr. Kevin is a sports physiotherapist, sports nutritionist at Inspire Institute of Sports, JSW. So he screened about 400 females of this age group between 8 to 15, who are into elite kind of thing. So what he found that 95% are anemic, and this anemic basically is a result of their underperformance. There are more of the injuries. Their periods are not regular. So all these things has been the cause of malnourishment, I would say, or it's not a proper nourishment. So where you would require a good amount of, I would say, iron. So what we, under his guidance, we developed product called as HemUp, which is hemoglobin plus, which has a beetroot extract, the concentrate part of it. So then he provided these supplements to girls, and after 3 months, he found out that out of the 95%, 80% were showing the adequate results, positive results. So we do have specialized supplements for growing girls. There are two things. One is for the protein part of it, and another is for the iron component of it.
Okay.
Uh,
Sir,
yeah,
people are asking, will you be sharing all the product details and what are the MRPs and everything?
yeah. We will be sharing on this on the group through Ask Physio. We will be sharing all the important, not only the MRP part of it, but also the nutritional parameters, the ingredients part of it, the usage part of it. We will be sharing all the information through Ask Physio.
Okay. Sir, are these supplements, any of the supplements made from organic food?
See, basically, once there is a very broad concept about organic food. Uh, so it is not, I would not say it is organic food. These are basically the main ingredient is whey. So whey comes from milk, and the major source what we are using is basically the ingredient, or the important ingredient is being imported from US and from New Zealand. So we are taking adequate care that nothing, what you say, inorganic or chemical form is being used. But I would not say it's an organic part of it. It is basically the safe part of it. So it doesn't contain any element which is harmful for our health on a continuous consumption. So it has been tried when we send our product to US to get it DOC certified. Now, this DOC certification is not only for sports. We are using the same certifications even for a normal supplement that we make. So it tests for all the elements. It tests for banned substances which are banned by WADA. It tests for anabolic steroids. It tests for all the elements which otherwise are available as a drug on across the counter. It tests for the heavy metals. It tests for the pesticides. So it tests all the elements which are required to be tested to have a safe consumption or a longer duration. So I would not say it's organic food, but it is safely tested and certified.
Okay. Sir, do we have any vegan products?
Vegan, as I mentioned, B12 is the one product which is vegan. But again, we, do you veg and vegan eaters can have this supplement. So veg is not an issue at all. Just for vegetarian, because it's a milk base, we don't add anything of non-vegetarian source for any of the products. So for vegetarian, it is completely okay. Vegan product, because it do contain the extract, or the whey is the product of milk. So the normal supplement what we make is not suitable for vegan, but few supplements like B12, we have some supplements with soya base. So these can be, or we even working on pea protein or rice protein. So we are working on few of the products in vegan category, but as of now we have limited, uh, supplements which falls into vegan, because in vegan you don't get the complete protein by a single source. You need to have multiple sources of it.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Sir, what are the benefits of supplements for the age group 30 to 50?
Yeah, basically because this is the time between age group 30 to 50, we need to understand the need of it first.